Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Liebherr LR 13001SX. It's like a zillion ton crane. This is the down and dirty on it. Down and dirty, you have a whole row on the bottom, which you can get your constant 12 from. You can piggyback a fuse, safest way to do it. You always fuse everything in a crane, always, any machine fuses. What we did was we went into a fluorescent light, it's a work light, that has 24 volts and a good ground. That's when we got our ignition and ground. Constant 12 is right there. There's a rubber seal that comes around the edge of this cabinet. It's okay to go ahead and lay this in there. So when we put the cover back on, it'll compress over the cable and it'll stay put. What we did was we ran the cable over and we secured this with cable ties to the back, because this whole section here actually will flip up with this hydraulic piston when they need to service this thing. So it's real important to kind of keep everything loose, but at the same time, there's a reason we don't ever go into the cab of these. You can stick something to glass on this, but there's not really a good spot for it. You could get creative with it, but again, there's a reason. It's called OSHA and a few other things at hand. So we don't ever want to do anything to interrupt the integrity of cranes like this. It's real important. And again, you just can't be drilling and doing all kinds of things. And there's a reason for that. And I'm kind of keeping that quiet. That's my business. But anyhow, best method I could find for this big monster. And again, this thing is just like, it's huge. We don't work on these every day, and every once in a while I get one. So just had to do a quick video, and I know it's nothing fancy. I could come up with a million different ways to do this, but I'm just putting one unit in. The unit works great back here. Clear view of the sky. I mean, it checked right in the system. So there you have it. This is how you do one of these. And there's going to be a panel that's going to go back over this. Very simple to locate.